lines and angles. So today we are going to learn the angle sum property. Angle sum property of the triangle. So angle, what is the angle sum property of the triangle? So this is our theorem here. So sum of the three angles of a triangle is sum of the three interior angles. Actually, you need to say about the interior angle. Sum of the three interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. That we can prove it. So let us see the proof here. Okay. So the theorem is sum of the interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So this we need to prove. Very simple proof here. Okay. So don't worry. Suppose we are taking a triangle. Any triangle you take into consider. Let us name it as a PQR. So whenever a theorem is given to you, so the first you have what is given you need to write. Given. So what is given here? Triangle PQR is a triangle. That's all it is given. And here angle, let us take the here. This can be named as a, let us name as a angle 1 here. This is angle 2 and this is angle 3. Three names let us give here. Okay. So the interior angle PQR is a triangle and angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 are interior angles. These three are called interior angles. What is meant by exterior angle and exterior angle property? I will tell you in the next theorem. There is one more theorem also there. So that it is very important and everyone have to learn it. So this is given to us. To prove. So what is required to prove here? Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degrees. This we need to prove. To prove this, a small construction is needed to us. So construction. So what is the extra construction we are doing? Draw a line AB parallel to QR through P. Through the P, you draw a line AB. AB is a line which is parallel to QR through the P. So this is a line we have drawn. So whenever you draw the line and it is going to make the angles here and name the angles here, whatever the angle you get, this as a 4 and this as a 5. So if you want here, you can represent these angles. Whenever you represent here 2 lines you can take, here 3 lines you can take. Why? Because, can anyone say why?
Yes, sir.
Why? Because if you see here one angles with a single line if you draw, it means that they are equal actually. So here if you observe that this and this are parallel lines and this is a transversal. So angle 2 and angle 4 will be equal because alternate angles. Angle 3 and angle 5 are equal. So 3 times you draw here 3 lines. Angle 3 and angle 5 are equal. They are also alternate angles if you take PR as a transversal. If you take the PR as a transversal. So here you can say that very clearly. When you draw the parallel line, we are going to get the 2 different angles, angle 4 and angle 5. And name that angles, angle APQ. And name angle APQ as an angle 4. and angle BCR as an angle phi. Because for us easy calculation purpose, easy going purpose, then we are considering that angles like that. Okay. Then after we need to prove it. So how do you prove it? As PQ is a transversal, PQ is transversal to AB parallel to QR, implies angle 2 is equals to angle 4 because alternate angle. They are alternate angles. Okay. So next in the same way, PR is a transversal. PR is transversal to AB parallel to QR. This implies angle 3 and angle 5 are equal. The reason is same reason. They are also alternate angles. Isn't it? So already here angle 2 and angle 4 are equal, angle 3 and angle 5 are equal. And if you observe properly here, 1 plus 4 plus 5 is equals to
180 degree.
Because straight angle. So angle 1 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 is equals to 180 degrees because this, you can write it as a straight angle. Straight angle. So angle 4 is equals to angle 2. So in the place of 4 you can write as an angle 2. In the place of 5 you can write as an angle 3, which is equals to 180 degrees. So simple. Alternate angle concept if you are using, then you can prove it. This is very important theorem. That's all you can write. No need of writing more here. But here whenever you mention that, the names may be different from your textbook and what I have taken, but this is enough to you. But here one thing you can remember that better you give the naming. Whenever you give the naming here, angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 are the interior angles. वो mention करना है. Angle 4 क्या consider कर दिया? Angle 5 क्या consider कर दिया? Can anyone say that what is the angle 1 with the 3 letters? How do you name the angle 1 with the 3 letters? Shahid, can you hear? Shahid, can you hear? It's not Antika.
Angle QPR.
Angle?
QPR.
Very good. Abhijit, can you
Yes,
hear?
sir. Yes, sir.
Angle 2, what is the name of the angle 2 with the 3 letters?
Sir, angle PQR.
PQR. That's all, very simple. Already you have all learned this one. These things you have all learned. Okay. क्लियर नहीं दिख रहा है विष्णुता?
सर मुझे दिख रहा है.
दिख रहा है ना?
सर मुझे क्लियर दिख रहा है पूरा.
Okay. So this is called angle sum property. Next thing is exterior angle property. So the next one is exterior angle property. Here most of the students will get confused with which angle is called exterior angle whenever you take it to consider. So interior angle is nothing but inside whenever it is taken, that is called as the interior angle. Inside the angle whenever it is taken. But exterior angle is nothing but if a line is produced. If a line is produced. Okay. The next property of the triangle is exterior angle property. This is called as exterior.
सर आपका सर ऑडियो सर अच्छे से नहीं आ रहा है.
Now, for all, it is like that only.
Yes. No, sir, it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Clear नहीं है?
सर एक बार जा रहा है, एक बार आ
Not
रहा है.
clear.
सर
Sir, clear है.
सर अभी क्लियर है सर.
Clear. Okay. Maybe it is. Okay. Exterior angle property. Actually, what is meant by an exterior angle? First, you need to know. Whenever you take into consider, exterior angle is nothing but whenever you take a triangle into the consideration, some students may think that this is angle is interior, this is interior, this is interior. And then exterior angle is nothing but this one which they will consider. It's not an exterior angle, it is reflex angle to this angle. We call that as a reflex angle. Exterior angle is nothing but if any side of the triangle is produced, if any side of the triangle is produced is nothing but if you are extending, then the angle formed, which these two angles are linear pair. The angle formed, the linear pair, these two angles are linear pair, na? So whenever you produce the interior angle से linear pair बनने वाला angle होता है ना? The angle which is forming the linear pair with the interior angle is called as the exterior angle. This angle is called exterior angle. Okay. Suppose if you produce this side, so this is called exterior angle. If you produce this side, this is called exterior angle. And see here, the main property here you can remember that sum of the exterior angles of any polygon is always 360. Sum of the exterior angles of any polygon. Suppose if you consider the pentagon, hexagon, so whatever it may be you consider, like this, I have taken a pentagon. This is pentagon. ये प्रोड्यूस करो, इधर एक एंगल हो, ये प्रोड्यूस करो, इधर एक एंगल, ये प्रोड्यूस करो, इधर एक एंगल, this one produce, this one produce, here one angle. So these angles exterior angles we call. And if you add all these exterior angles, you are going to get us 360 degrees. For here 360, even for here 360. But we are not going to learn now, just I said the property here as we discussed the exterior angle. But now here in case of the triangle is, each exterior angle is equals to the sum of the interior opposite angles. So here this exterior angle if you consider, to this angle, the exterior angle is that one. And interior opposite is nothing but these two angles are called interior opposite angles to this angle. Suppose if you name this as the 1, 2, 3, and here you take the 4, 5, 6. The property is that 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equals to 180 is which property? Angle sum property. And here what says exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angles. That means angle 4 will be equal to angle 1 plus angle 2. Angle 4 will be equal to angle 1 plus angle 2. ये दोनों को interior opposite बोलते हैं. This is interior, but opposite
Sir?
is except yes.
Sir, can I ask a question, sir? Ask a doubt.
Yes.
Sir, if
Yes,
it is
yes.
given that means angle 5 is equals to, we can write angle 2 plus angle 3.
Yes, that's what I am going to say here. Angle 5 will be equal to angle 2 plus angle 3. For this angle 5, these two are interior opposite angles. For angle 6,
Four plus
this angle 3, angle 1 plus angle 3 होता है. This is only called exterior angle property.
Okay, sir.
And we can prove it. The proof I am going to explain to you now. Okay. So the statement is what here?